Welcome to the Contractor OS website video training series. I'm going to go through and show you how to edit your website and make changes, whether any of the pages or add content and photos. And really, it's simple to use. You can do this without knowing anything about HTML programming or PHP code or any of that stuff. We made it really easy so you can change your images, add new text, make changes to any of these boxes for phone numbers, and to be able to really get in and customize the site after the initial build. So first of all, we'll go through and I'm going to show you how you can do that. There's a couple different ways to edit your website. You can click here and your password will be there as well. Or you can go right into your software and go to the account settings and setup. And you can always go to the company settings and click on My Website. And you'll see the Edit Website button. So you have two different options. This will bring you in to where it'll give you the login, username, password. You'll have that automatically. And you'll be brought into the dashboard. Now, when you get inside, it's really simple. There's a few options that are in there. If you want to make a new post, add new images, any new pages, you can check comments that come in off the website. There's a couple of different tools in here if you want to look through, and you can see some of the things we have in here. You can make a couple of changes to your the name of your pages. You can edit pages, and be careful because once you delete them, they're gone. So we want you to be real careful. Images, you can add new images to the library and to create posts. And I'm going to go more about this as we get through deeper into the website. Now, if you click here, you'll be able to go right to Visit Website. This will bring you to the dashboard of your main site. Now, we made it real easy because we have this Contractor OS Page Builder website. So as you're going through the website, you can just like launch Contractor OS Page Builder. This will bring up all the different pages. If you hover over like the images or the text, it will light up into a box where you can make a change. So let's just say if you want to change this phone number, if you come into something, you want to add a new phone number, you see how this lights up around the box. And we'll go into this a lot more throughout the series. But you can just change the number, and if you look, it's colored in white, so it goes with the background. So if you wanted to change this to like, I'll just put the main number in here. And you can see how simple it was to make that change. You click this button up here that says Done, and just Publish Changes, and automatically that's been changed to your new phone number. Contact us today if you want to make any changes to the buttons, or if you want to change the name. And all these text boxes work the same way. So again, if you want to change a text or image, it's really simply just click this little wrench and it brings up all the text inside that. And again, we did make some color changes. So if you want to change the color, you click on this toggle button. They call it toggle. It'll light up this, and you can make different color changes, text color, different texts that are in here. But if you enter this box, and also we have HTML text, so if you click on this, you'll be able to bring in different text style numbers as well, letters as well. So without even adding any HTML, it's really simple because you can edit this quickly with this this type of edit boxing. So we'll click on that, and I'm going to show you another thing with like images, like the main image. So if you want to just say click on this image, you want to make a change, you can click on that. It'll bring up that image, and it'll have some information around if you want to have a link to it, or any show caption, alignment center, if you want to crop it at all. If you want to put a new one, you can replace it by uploading, or you can pick from the media library. So a couple nice ways here. I'm going to go through afterwards and show you some more. In the next video, we'll go through and make a bunch more changes. But I want to just get started with this overview first and give you a little preview before we get started, and I'll see you in the next video.